Good morning, class. Today you will be using Google Maps to create a map of some of the ancient city-states that we are covering in Unit 1. The states you will be researching are Athens, Troy, Sparta, Macedonia, Rome, Carthage, and Jerusalem. The first thing you will need to do is to create a map. Please go over to New, scroll all the way down to More, and then click on Google My Maps. It should prop up this window that pretty much gives you your own personalized map. Please go ahead and title the map Ancient City-States. Okay, now in your map, you will have to identify where each city-state was located. Most of the city-states still exist today. They have simply shifted their original location by just a few miles or so. So you can actually use this search option up here on the screen to go ahead and find it. Let's go ahead and take the example of Carthage. Now you're going to see a lot of options pop up that are in the United States. We, of course, do not want to use this. Carthage is a city that was located in northern Africa. So I'm going to put comma Africa. And now it looks like it used to be, or it continues to be, in Tunisia. So when you click on Carthage in Tunisia, it should land you right there. And if you go ahead and zoom all the way out, you will be able to find exactly where it is in relation to some of the other city-states you will cover. Now, to go ahead and identify it on the map, you can go all the way up here to where it says Add Marker. If you click on that, all you simply have to do is go back and click on the green bubble. Once you do that, it will go ahead and put the bubble as close to the green bubble as possible. Of course, you can tell that this is slightly off, and obviously Carthage wasn't in the ocean. So what you could do, you could drag it over right next to the green bubble. Now, ideally, if you zoom in, it may not be exactly where the green bubble is, and that's okay because I'm more interested in the fact that you know where the general area of the city-state was. Once you establish the blue button, you can go back up here and cancel out the Carthage search that you originally did. That will still leave you with the point that you added. Now, if you click into it, you can go ahead and edit by pressing this pencil button. If you click on it, please make sure you change the name from point 1 to the city-state it belongs to. Carthage would be this one. Now, in this box below, I'm going to want you to go ahead and research the importance of Carthage in ancient times as a city-state. Then I want you to go ahead and add an image. And you would do that by clicking the little camera down here. Now, of course, you can go ahead and search. Google Images, or you can go ahead and download the picture and upload it through your Google Drive. However you decide, you need to make sure that the picture you upload is a representation of something from the ancient city of Carthage. Now, in order to move on to the next city-state you will be using, make sure you go and you hit save. That way, if you notice over here, it has already saved it as Carthage. Once you guys have written your description as to why it was important, it should come up underneath Carthage right here, and we should also see that image. Also, too, remember, I'm going to want you to differentiate each point you place on the map. So in order to do that, if you click on this little style button, it's going to give you the option of changing the point's color. Please make sure that you change the color for each one of those city-states. As you can tell, the color is no longer blue. Now, like I mentioned, most of the city-states you will be researching have a current location. So you could essentially type in their name. The only thing is you might have to look at an ancient map of where it was located to identify the country where it belongs today. Now, once you're all done with your map, I'm going to want you guys to go ahead and copy the link, making sure that the share settings are open to everybody who has the link. And I want you to go ahead and turn it in to your mission outline paper that I sent out yesterday. If you have any other further questions on how to complete this, please ask. I will be walking around during class time and helping you as need be. Thank you.